To match hair with tight curls, medium sheen, and lots of volume, choose Springy Afro Twist. Pre-fluffed and ready to install, this option can do it all. For this tutorial, the first step is to make sure the model's hair is nicely blown out and silk pressed with no oily products. Once the hair is nicely silk pressed, we're going to create the side swoop part. And right now I am creating the C part where she's going to have the swoop. Once you have your part created, now we are going to move to the next step. The next step is to create the mold for the ponytail. I am going to be using some gel, some hair jam, and some hold spray, and I'm going to be using my blow dryer as I go. So to create the mold, the first thing you want to do is to create a baby ponytail at the back, measuring where you want the ponytail to lay. So I'm going to be molding the ponytail step by step, first with a tiny baby ponytail in the back and just parting her hair and molding the top, gradually working my way up until I get to the front and the swoop. So I go ahead and add some jam, followed by some gel, followed by the hold spray. Just slick it down with my rat tail comb. Just blow dry everything until it feels nice and firm, and then just hold it with the rubber band. I just went ahead to style her baby hair, giving it a nice design. And then I went ahead to tie it down with my strips, or you could use a scarf or just something to tie it down. So I went ahead to tie it down about 3 times to keep it down, and I just use my blow dryer again to make sure the swoop is nicely dried. Now, to create the ponytail, we're going to be using the rubber band method. It's an easy and express way to do the ponytail, so you don't have to crochet in the hair. So I'm going to grab a rubber band, or you can use a scrunchie, and I'm just going to hold the very top of the hair with the rubber band and just wrap it around like twice, leaving some extra room for the rubber band or the scrunchie. Next, we're just going to throw the hair over and just attach where the rubber band is into the ponytail. Once you attach it nicely and secure, we're going to flip it over and drop down the ponytail. So I'm going to grab a bobby pin and we're just going to pin it down so it doesn't come undone. And once you pin it down and you feel like you're satisfied, the next step, I'm just going to take a piece of the Springy Afro twist and I'm just going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail to keep it nice and secure. And to secure it down, you could add some of your gel to the very ends, and you can also pin it down with some bobby pins. And there you have it. We have finally successfully created the ponytail.